Japanese hair dryers? They are not just dryers, they are beauty tech. Panasonic, Tescom, Nobby by Tescom. These machines are famous for being quiet, lightweight, and gentle on your hair. Ion care, scalp modes, even sensors that adjust heat in real time. Used in salons across Japan, and totally worth it at home. But here's the thing, you usually cannot get them outside Japan, unless you know where to look. Most models are on eBay, shipped from Japan, no plane ticket required. So if your drugstore dryer is not cutting it, maybe it is time to go Japanese. Which one would you try?